Hello everyone, so today I will present about computer crime and security for assignment 1 task 1. Okay, what is computer crime? Okay, computer crime is a criminal act that has been committed using a computer or computer-based hardware as the principal tool. In Malaysia, the most common and rapidly increasing form of computer crime is online fraud and scam. Online fraud and scam are crimes that happen online. Attackers treat victims through WhatsApp, Telegram, SMS, fake websites, phishing email, and impersonation call. Scammers often pretend to be authorities, bank employees, delivery companies, insurance agents, or even friends. Okay, why does computer crime harm? Okay, online fraud continues to grow due to its rapid spread, anonymity, and the use of sophisticated social engineering tactics. Many victims fall prey because of low awareness and agent and trust in convincing messages. Preventing this crime requires strong individual precaution like safe browsing, verifying sources, and using security features as well as organizational efforts such as cybersecurity training, firewalls, and data protection systems. Strengthening awareness and digital security practices is key to reducing online fraud. So this is the step to prevent this type of computer crime. If you're Malaysians, you can report cases to Cyber 999 under Cyber Security Malaysia or file a police report with the CCID, which is Commercial Crime Investigation Department. That's all from me. Thank you. Next, I will present about intellectual property. What is intellectual property? An intellectual property is any product of the human intellect that is unique, novel, and unobvious. They comprise invention, software, brands, logos, design, and icon. IP laws provide for exclusive right to the creator in using, producing, selling, and distributing their creation. Okay, so our focus now is software intellectual property. What is that? Software intellectual property, or known as software IP, is any computer code, program, or application that is protected by law against copying, theft, poisoning, or other use not permitted by the owner. Software IP belongs to the company that either created the software or purchased the right to it. There are three types of software intellectual property, which is copyright, patent, and trade secret. How to register copyright? To register software under copyright, go to My IP online and create an account. Prepare the source code, screenshot, and documentation. Upload all files. Pay the fee and wait for the registration certificate. And how to register patent? To register a patent with My IPO, the inventor must ensure the software has a new and innovative technical feature, prepare a full patent specification, and submit Form FM1 through My IP online. After requesting a substantive examination, the patent will be granted if it meets all requirements, and the patent giving 20 years of exclusive protection. And that's all from me. Thank you. We continue with privacy and surveillance. Why does privacy is important? Privacy is very important in today's digital world because almost every part of our life is connected to technology. Without strong privacy protection, people are at risk of cyber crimes like identity thefts, scams, leaking data, stalking, and targeted manipulation. What is surveillance? Surveillance is the monitoring of people, places, or activities. It is often using tools like cameras, sensor, or software to collect information. It can be done by government, companies, or even individuals. There are 4 types of surveillance, which is electronic surveillance to monitor emails, messages, internet activity. Next, physical surveillance like CCTV cameras, facial recognition, and then data surveillance, collecting metadata, GPS history, online behavior. And last one, workplace surveillance. Employers monitor employee devices or productivity. How is surveillance being an ethical issue? Surveillance raises ethical concerns when it violates personal autonomy or privacy right and is done without informed consent. Too much surveillance can create fear, reduce trust, and then lead to the misuse of personal information. That's all for today. Thank you. Next, we continue with computer reliability. What is reliability? Computer reliability is defined as the ability of a computer system to perform its required functions for a given period of time. Or reliability also means the ability of computer system to work consistently, accurately, and without unexpected failure. Reliable systems are crucial for maintaining continuous operation and earning user trust. Why reliability in computer is important? Because first, ensure the accuracy and consistency of computer. Second, protecting data integrity and security. Last one, supporting business operation and productivity. This is the example of computer is not reliable. Back then in 2012, RBS IT failure demonstrate how a single software error can severely disrupt essential financial services, leaving millions without access to their money and causing major business interruption. So this is the difference between mobile phone reliability between Android versus Apple. Overall, Apple phones tend to be more reliable due to their tightly integrated hardware-software ecosystem, long-term software support, and consistent performance across all models. Android phones, however, vary in reliability because different manufacturers use different hardware, software layers, and update schedule. That's all from me. Thank you. The last topic is professional ethics. What is professional ethics? Professional ethics refer to the ethical principles and standards that govern the behavior and decision of professionals in their specific field. Every profession has their own ethics. For example, during pandemic COVID-19, our country had developed an app called My Sejahtera for usage in medical profession. Okay, what is the professional codes of ethics in My Sejahtera? So to develop My Sejahtera required software engineer to uphold strong ethical principle because of the app directly impacted national health, public safety, and personal data security. So today we will discuss about these four principles, which is public, client, and employer, product, and judgment. So first, public. It pushes software engineer to always put the general public's welfare, safety, and right ahead of everything else. Next, client and employer. It emphasizes that while software engineers must act responsibly and professionally to support their organization goal. Next, the product. This principle highlights that software engineers are responsible for ensuring their work meets the highest standard of quality, security, and reliability, so that the final product functions safely and effectively for all users. The last one is judgment. Judgment it stresses that software engineer must exercise honest, independent, and ethical decision. That's all from me. Thank you.